Oh man, I love this question because I had the same problem when I first started. Why are my blogs not showing up in Google? I remember when I first posted my blogs, I remember I heard somewhere it was like, post like 30 blogs. You should be good. I was like, man, I worked hard. I wrote super ridiculous posts, posted them. I was like, where are they at? And there's more to it. And I noticed some did get ranked, some didn't, which left me even more confused, really. I was like, why is this happening? Why is your blog not getting ranked? Getting a blog rank is actually like one of the more simple things, which is ironic about it, because at first I was utterly confused by it. Getting your blog ranked is as simple as like you gotta pick a topic that isn't out blogged for, or you basically want to pick a topic that probably isn't SEO related and probably isn't something where you'd find a lot of writers for. But really, any industry you can find things. So maybe ignore that piece of advice. You just want to find something that is high volume, is basically what I'm saying. What the heck? Freaking ant. You want to find something that's high volume, and you want to write at least 1,000 words, preferably 2,000. 2,000. If you want to get ranked for something, write 2,000 word blog. I don't know how many times I have to tell people this, but it's like a 2,000 word blog is worth like 100, 500 word blogs, maybe even more, because it's like these 500 word blogs don't get ranked ever. 1,000 word ones sometimes do if you're in a good industry, but in general, if you want to get ranked for something, it has to be 2,000 words. You need to start formatting it properly for online blogging as well, to make sure that people can actually read, and that means more white space. Don't write like you did in college. That's bad advice. I almost, in terms of internet marketing, that's terrible advice. Don't ever write like that. Like space, error, enter all the time. Every point. Doop. I walked my dog the other day, it was great. Enter. We went to the park and it was awesome. Enter. Every single time. Not exactly like that. You know, you can have like 2-3 sentences that are related and then enter, but you want to have a lot of space in your material. Also, make sure your featured image or your header image, whatever you want to call it, is high quality and original. Those two things need to happen. Otherwise, you may have a hard time getting ranked. That's really it. As far as pictures inside the post, I would limit it to maybe one every 1,000 words. Sometimes you really don't even need to have one. Like, you can get ranked without even having a picture in your post. I've seen it. So, yeah. That's pretty much it, guys. That's why your blog's not getting ranked. If you're doing those things and you're still not getting ranked, then that's crazy. If you're writing a 2,000 worder and you're not getting ranked, that's crazy. Make sure you share it on Facebook and Twitter. So if you share it on Facebook and Twitter like once or twice, like, you should be getting ranked. And if it's on your website, if this is a blog on your website, submit the sitemap after you submit your blog. But only submit a sitemap once a month. So that's that advice, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Late SEO. Peace out.